Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jean Tabutabo. I am 34 years old and I'm single. I have worked before in abroad in Lebanon.
And what is your education?
College level.
College level. So you worked in Lebanon as a domestic helper?
Yes, sir.
7 years?
No, 9 years.
9 years.
Yes, sir.
One employer only?
Yes, only one employee.
Okay. When did you go there?
Last October 18, 2005
And until?
until September 12, 2014.
Okay. And how many are there in the family?
Only one, sir.
Madam or sir?
Madam.
Madam. How
sir.
old is your madam?
64 years old.
64. Okay. And is she still working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you tell me your duties?
Yes, sure, sir. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, and sometimes I wash her car.
Okay. Jean, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 6 brothers and I have 7 sisters.
And you
I
are
am the number 7 and
7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to support my youngest sister for her college and my parents also, and of course for myself.
Are you willing to take care of pets like dogs and cats?
Yes, yes, sir.
Are you scared to big dogs?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you sing one children's song for us?
Sure, sir. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Light up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, and what is your message to your future employer?
Hi, sir. Good morning. Please select me as your helper because I am willing to serve you.
Thank you very much, Jean Tabutabo, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.